How to fix the disappearing glitch in Toca Life World. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have been experiencing a frustrating disappearing glitch in the Toca Life World, today we are going to walk you through some simple steps to fix it and get back to playing without any interruptions. So let's just dive right into the video. The first thing we can apply is restarting the game. So after you have closed the app, you're just going to go ahead and reopen the app and check if the disappearing glitch persists or not. Otherwise, we're going to look up for the updates of the app. In order to do so, head over to the Play Store application. And after going there, you're just going to go to the search bar and type in Toca Life World there and look for updates if any kind of update is available for that particular app. And if there is an update available, just go ahead and tap on update and install the update. After that is done, even if that doesn't fix the issue, just go ahead and clear the cache of the app. For that, long press on the app, go on to the info section. After that, you will be finding a storage section here. Just go ahead and click on it and you'll be finding clear cache. Just tap on clear cache. And that should probably help you resolve any glitches caused by temporary files. The next thing is going and looking up for storage on your device. If your device does not have enough storage, that may be the reason. So make sure your device has enough free storage for the game to run properly, and a lack of storage can cause issues like disappearing items or characters. So if your storage is nearly full, just try deleting unnecessary files or apps and freeing up space. The next thing we can do is reinstall the application. For that, you may just go ahead and uninstall the application from your device and head over to the Play Store application and reinstall the game onto your device. And if nothing else works, then you can just reach out to the Toca support for help, and that should do it. So these steps should help you fix the disappearing glitch in the Toca Life World. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. And if you have got any questions or additional solutions, just let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.